Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius on a Gree AC remote. First, ensure your remote has fresh batteries for optimal function. Next, find the Mode button, usually prominent on the remote's face. Press this button several times, observing the display. The temperature unit should switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius as you cycle through the modes. This simple action often resolves the conversion. Once you've cycled through the modes, confirm that the display now shows degrees C next to the temperature. If it still shows degrees F, repeat the process. After confirming Celsius, use the up and down arrow buttons to set your desired temperature. For example, you might set it to 24 degrees Celsius. Observe your AC unit to ensure it responds correctly to the new temperature and unit. If the conversion doesn't happen, first check your remote's batteries. Weak batteries can cause erratic behavior. Replacing them with new ones often fixes the issue. If problems persist, refer to your specific Gree AC remote's user manual. Some models might have a slightly different button sequence. As a last resort, try a soft reset by removing the batteries for about 30 seconds, then reinserting them. Converting your Gree AC remote from Fahrenheit to Celsius is a straightforward process once you know the steps. You can always switch back if needed by repeating the same actions. Remember to save your preferred temperature setting after conversion. This ensures your comfort is maintained. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.